Hi, Phil Hundl here with Land Rights Law. Wanted to bring you this project alert. This is a project that we've become aware of. It's an extension of an existing larger project. The larger project is the Matterhorn project, and this is a lateral. So I believe it could be called a new project or an extension of the existing project. But Matterhorn, as you remember, long, big project starting out in West Texas, passing through above Round Rock, diagonally down to the coast, splitting off in Austin County, part of it going to Wharton, to the big processing facility in Hungerford, and the other part going in the Katy Lateral to Wharton County. This section that we're talking about is the Tres Palacious or Tres P lateral. Our understanding is a 24-inch diameter pipe. It's going to be running within Wharton County, and it's going to be running from Hungerford to the kind of north of El Campo, Lakeview area. So if you're in that path and you get contacted by right-of-way agents, and these right-of-way agents work for the right-of-way acquisition company, Norfleet, that's the company that Matterhorn has hired, and other companies oftentimes hire to acquire these right-of-ways for them. And so, or to contact landowners and attempt to acquire the right-of-ways. Right now, what are the right-of-way agents? You may have already received a letter in the mail asking for temporary access, or survey access. And remember, that's a a legal document that has ramifications and effects on you, and it affects you and your land. And so, be careful anytime there's a document that affects your property, even if it's temporarily. Understand what it involves. I always suggest contacting an attorney that handles eminent domain condemnation cases so that you can better understand the process and your rights. And this is a very early stages of the process in which the pipeline company wants to survey, civil engineering surveying, to determine engineering wise and related to the land, the different improvements on the land, features of the land, and what route is quote unquote best for them. And then also they'll do environmental and archaeological surveys as well. So early in the process, before the route is I'm going to say finalized or established, and then you will be receiving, if you will, ultimately be affected by this lateral. You will be receiving the initial offer, the final offer packet, and then the petition, and so on through the litigation process. I've laid those steps out in the condemnation timeline, so that you can get a better understanding and feel for what is all involved with the process. So hopefully that's helpful. Once again, this is the Tres Palacious or Tres P lateral project coming off of the main Matterhorn project.